The Cueto family visited Lisboa. It's Lisbon, yeah?
So can you guys see that there is a train? It goes through the roads. Very cool.
Padre nuestro, nuestro perdido. Dito ka to. Oligara. Sartunera to'y. Sang ka pa? Nagtutur ka na, may singer ka pa. I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby. To all my lonely nights, I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say yeah. It's breakfast time. Let's go, guys. Come on. Gutom na. Second day.
Yup.
Ang ganda ng weather sa labas.
It always is, so very, very happy.
Yan ang suot mo ngayon?
Yup.
Nadala ka sombrero?
We wore the same shorts.
Ikaw, ay, ang kikising outfit, oh. Tingnan lang yung shoes. Nice.
First time having breakfast in Portugal, and to be fair, I don't know. Yeah, the food is nice. It's what you usually expect.
AJ, ikaw. Alright guys, day 2. And pupunta kami kina Tita Aida. Are you ready, Casey, sa ating next adventure? Gano'n kalayo may ang kina Tita Aida? From sa ating hotel? 6 minutes lang by Uber. Yan guys, ganun lang kalapit kami sa kanila. By Uber 6 minutes lang. Punta sa house ni na Ate Aida.
Ang pamasahe namin yan, 3 piso.
Yo, ang pamasahe namin sa Uber, 3 euro? 3 pounds. Ha? Me? Ha?
Tinagalog ko na.
3 euro.
Tinagalog ko na nga.
O kaya ma. Baba na kayo! Parang kondisyon na kondisyon ka! Kuya Jo! Yun o! Yes sir! Hey Casey, ganda na suot ha! Ano ko yung gagawin natin ngayon?
So guys, nandito kami ulit sa Tita Aida's work. Dyan lang. And you can see in front. We're gonna be waiting here kasi malaking plan. We have a big plan today.
We're gonna go to the Oceanarium. Wait, Oceanarium.
The Oceanarium.
We can do the aquarium.
So
Like
the aquarium. So yeah, we are going to go. So I think our plan is we're gonna be waiting for everyone. You can see Ewan over there. Yung naman sa taas. And we're gonna be taking a tour bus. I don't know if it's one. I think it's 2, diba? We're going to be taking 2 tour buses around the city, seeing some new stuff, some things that you won't see in London. And then pupunta kami sa Oceanarium, as Casey said. We're going to see a lot of fish.
lots of sea animals.
A lot of sea animals, yeah. So I'm really excited. So, yeah.
May si Casey gustong sumakay daw sa tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk?
Yung ano nga,
Parang
tricycle.
Tricycle.
Oh no, I saw one that looked like it, but it's like not a tricycle. It's just like a bus. Not a bus, but like a car.
Yeah, parang like a bigger tricycle.
Tsaka yung anong dumadaan yun, tram.
Tram.
Yeah,
And like a train.
I haven't seen the tram yet.
I saw. You have.
No, I haven't.
Look, like it's like that. Like the tricycle thing.
Yeah.
Ayan, yan pala, tuk-tuk.
Tuktur?
Tuk-tuk. Tuk-tur. Kaya pala, tuk-tur siya.
Pero yeah. Yeah, that's basically our plan, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit when everyone's out.
Tayo mo na mag-shopping sa Futa.
Saan?
Futa?
No.
Anong futa?
Come. Come, let's go to Futa.
Yan ba? Ayan. Guys, kung gusto niyo mag-shopping dito sa Portugal, ayan, puntahan niyo tong Futa. Ayan ang mga tinda nila, oh. Futa talaga ang mga tinda dito. Oh, akala ko mag-shopping ka doon.
Hindi, I just wanted to see the name.
Guys, do you like my earrings and my necklace?
Ang ganda, bunso. Sino may bigay niyan?
I don't know. Mary just gave it to me.
Very nice. Ganda. Sa totoo lang, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Portugal, ihandaan nyo na ang mga paa ninyo dahil ang mga road dito, akyat babataas.
Baka bako-bako.
Tsaka bako-bako ang mga daan. Kakaiba dito. Naglakad kami kagabi pero talagang pag hindi ka sanay pag hindi ka sanay maglakad, talagang mapapagod ka. And guys, may nakuha kaming tour guide from London pa to.
¿Cómo se va bien?
Ano, saba o ano? Saba o senyorita?
Naging Francis eh. Punta guys kami sa church. Magandang loob dyan ko ito.
Oh my God.
Pero tingnan mo ang labas, simple lang
Yung mga panahong ang mga Kastila nasa ating ginagawa din yan. 1600.
Talagang tour guide marami tayong matutunan dito.
This is Mrs. 70. And simbahan.
May tuk-tuk.
Gawa-gawa.
Yun tram. Ang linis. Ang dami, iba't iba mga hindi natin nakikita sa London. Ito.
Nasa Wimbledon.
Naman. Ay, may tram nga pala.
Wimbledon papunta.
Yan guys, oh. Tuk-tuk.
Pero
Fun tours. Tapos ito guys, ang Catholic Church. Pasok kami sa loob. Papasok kami ng aming tour guide.
la simbahan. El Tanan.
Ayun pala. Oh, may tour guide tayo. Sundan nyo yung naka-yellow, ha.
Bago na kami ng tour guide.
AJ Casey featuring EJ and CJ channel.
Daming J's.
I know, but very Filipino.
Pero yeah guys, you can see here, we are currently walking to our bus stop. Tignan mo guys, meron tram. Madaming trams dito, madaming tuk-tuk, yung ride sa, I think it's like a tricycle, but yeah, it's very nice. We're walking currently to the tour bus stop. Oh yun, may isa pa, 28 keys. Tara, let's ride, keys. You wanna ride?
You have to book. Let's go.
But yeah guys, we're currently walking now, and I know. I'm very, very excited kasi we're gonna be taking 2 tour buses, so a lot of pictures are gonna be taken. And yeah, you can see Ate Chloe and Yuan there in the front over there. And yan, Casey, yung favorite mo? Tingnan mo. McDo, hindi, you guys can't see it right now, but there's a McDo there. That's Casey's favorite. Casey,
I
how
want
are
to
you
try
feeling
it
about this day
next
today?
time. I feel very excited because we are going to go to the aquarium.
¿Dónde? ¿Dónde? Whatever doing, you will not be happy.
Tinitignan pa talaga niya.
Of course. Tinagdagan niyo raw. Hindi, alisin.
Tuk-tuk. Kita rin ang tour bus. Mag-tour muna kami. Sasakay kami dito sa Yellow Bus Tours. May ano sabi?
Ay, doon daw muna tayo sa historical before sa oceanarium. Pero si Ate Aida, ang gusto doon sa may bubong. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Welcome to Yellow Bus Tour.
You're getting shy.
Descuento on a yellow.
You're yellow right now. You're with the yellow right now.
Upstairs, follow the leader.
Bakit binili mo siya? Pinuha mo yung Chinese. Yung ano, yung...
Follow the leader, follow the leader. Oh, good tayo. Earphone. Yellow earphone.
Yan o.
Alis na tayo, alis na.
Ready. Nasa kanaunahan. Yan po ang aming mga kasama.
Tour guide. Tour guide, nagbabasa lang.
Yan po ang aming tour guide. Nagbabasa ng mapa.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Si Ate Chloe, si Casey, si Yuan at saka si Ella. Andun sa likod.
It's not the mighty Mississippi, not the sunshine in LA. It's not a snow-capped Rocky Mountain on a warm summer day. It's not the glow of a full moon shining in the night. There's nothing grand about a canyon that holds a candle to your sight. The most beauty that I've seen.
Paano ngayon? Saan tayo? Pa-picture muna tayo. One of the highest park daw.
Highest park in Lisbon.
In Lisbon.
Obrigado!
Ang ganda guys ng view dito. Yan o. Ano ba yung masasabi mo sa view? Ha?
Very nice.
Very nice. Hindi ka naman nakatingin.
Very
Sapo.
nice.
Ang ganda nga, para siyang Teletubbies.
Maze.
Ito mo.
No, para siyang maze.
Ano? Kunyari hindi nakatingin. Nice. Oh, ligara.
Sartunera to'y
Saan ka pa? Nagtutur ka na, may singer ka pa. Fidelidad.
Parang yung early first thing na.
Ano masasabi mo sa pinunta natin ngayon?
This is the monastery, one of the wonders of Lisbon,
Alin?
of Portugal. This one, the monastery.
Ayan daw guys, oh.
And this is the National Museum Marina.
Oo.
Maritime National Museum. Ayan.
Ayun, yellow ba? Sasakay na naman.
Tayo muna, picture muna.
At saka, nagsasalita pa itong aking tour guide. Ano pa?
Hindi ko na
Ano pang
alam.
kailangan malaman ng mga turista?
Ate mo na dati, picture sila. Tayo ang sunod.
So ano yung isang yun? Museo.
Museo de Arte
Arte.
Contemporánea.
Ayan guys, Museo de Arte. Yun, ito. Yan. Tapos ito ay, ano itong isa ito?
Monastery.
Ito, monastery. Yun lang?
Sorry, hindi ko nakuha.
Mahirap itong
Hindi ko naintindihan.
itong tour guide ko ito. Picture muna sila.
Yung apat. Saan lang
Okay.
yung picture?
Di yan din.
Padre nuestro, nuestro perdido.
Dito ka tapos tayo.
Ba't ako lang ang nalabas?
Uy, ikaw nga pinag-vlog nga.
Ako ba yan? The Cueto family visited Lisboa. It's Lisbon, yeah? You can see this building, they call it Monasterio Lisboa, built in 1600s. That's it.
Ba, you know?
Como ça va?
Sige, tuloy.
Ça va bien. Girey. Yakmash na imya. Yakshimash. The labyrinth. Labyrinth. You know, you need to find the right way to go out. Once you're in, it's hard to get out. The Fountain of Youth.
Paano mo nalaman?
It says there, Juventus. Youth, Juventus. El derecho en kaliwa. El derecho, la 10 metro, el kaliwa. Destinación, malapit na.
Ano? Pero bakit po konti ang tao dito?
Right, ayan, nagpa-vlog din to. Okay. 5 lakad, el kaliwa. El upuan. El silya.
Kaya pala,
El silya.
para sa'yo,
Ate, daw po doon, picture ako yan. Ang ganda ng background. Talagang para dito yun.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang Dabarkads ng TV5. Nandito po kami sa Lisboa. Isa sa mga tinatangkilik na fountain. Ang tawag nila rito ay Fountain of Youth. Juventus de Fountain is the chain knuckles.
Titikim kami ng cake, famous cake in Belém.
Oo, sige.
Ate Aida, ano ang bibili natin?
Yung famous cake daw nila dito sa Belém.
In Belém. Pag natikman mo, ikaw daw ay mauutas sa sarap.
Paano yun?
Nakakautas daw sa sarap. Oh my God.
So guys, as you know, we got a tour bus and we dropped off on a bus stop just to take some pictures and to look around. And right now we are just resting. But even though I'm tired, I still want to visit more places so we could see what's more in Portugal, Lisbon. And after this, we're gonna. I'm not sure after this, but we are gonna
gonna
go
eat.
to the aquarium. Eat.
Oh.
Okay,
Mamaya.
eat. We're gonna eat, and then we're
Seafoods.
gonna seafoods, very popular in Portugal.
Yeah.
And we are gonna go to the aquarium. So, guys, we are out and we are looking for something, but I don't know what. And we just found a horse carriage where I could it's over there. I could take you. We could take you to places, and it's only for €5.
€5,
Yeah,
Mami?
I saw
€5
it. It
lang.
said when I saw it moving, it said €5. The sign. Very cheap.
Yeah, tingnan natin.
Yep. So you guys can see it.
Let's go. Ano punta natin?
Oh.
Ayun o, alis na. Kasi alis na.
How is it moving by without the owner? Oh yeah.
Hindi, meron o. Tingnan, dali.
Okay. So that's stop.
Come on, let's go.
So
Sabi mo, titingnan natin.
we are going to see.
Yun o. Op.
Oh, stop.
Horsey.
Yep. Okay, you guys can see it's moving now.
Para yung sa London, ano bunso?
I remember. Yeah, and we're just. I wonder where I could take you.
Nice.
Nice. It's a horse tour.
Gusto mo sumakay doon?
Maybe. Looks really relaxed, calm, and nice. So can you guys see that there is a train? It goes through the roads. Very cool. It looks. You guys can see the train tracks where they go past, the tram and the trains where they can go through. Oh, a car. Yeah, and I think we're going to this place which we call Buckingham Palace for some reason. And I think we might be going to the next bus stop so we can explore more. We are out here near the Marina.
Meron
Yep.
Planetarium.
I think it's just about planets.
Yan guys.
It's so hot.
Museum Marina.
It's so hot today.
Shop.
So hot today.
Yeah.
Cafeteria nila.
I want ice lolly.
You want ice lolly?
Yeah.
Anong gusto mo? Daddy, anong gusto mo?
Tubig.
Ako yung parang tubig na malamig.
What do you?
Tubig na malamig. Okay,
What?
bibili kami
What did you think it
Tingnan
would
mo,
be right now?
halatang-halatang nangitim ka na. Pero ano?
Already?
Oo.
It's only been 2
Ilang degrees
days.
ngayon?
Look at me.
32 degrees.
Ay, si Casey
so-
nangitim
I
na.
feel so- How? Hi.
So, saan tayo bibili?
We're gonna go inside there. There's some ice lollies.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
So guys, we just got off our tour bus and now we are at the Oceanaria, the aquarium.
Excited ka na?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yep. And look, we're here. It says we are in the auditorium. And then we have to go here. Okay.
Ano yung tapos na kayo dyan? Tapos na. Wala na. Nakita na natin lahat. Ano yan? Ba't may photographer? Hello, Pengu!
So you guys can see that there are penguins over here. And you can see that they have like bracelets / tags. And I think it tells you like what they are supposed to be. Yeah. And yeah. There are lots of things, penguins here. But over there you can see some different types of, you can see a bird. That's not a penguin, you can see a bird with a red beak. Yeah, that one.
Ano yung pulso?
Which one? The penguins and like the birds. Look, the penguin.
Ano yan, Case? Ano yung nakita mo?
It's like these are like otters. Look. otters. And look, I saw them on like the bus. Yeah, those. No, it's not. What? Those are otters. Look. Sea lions, they can't walk, I think.
Ang bilis nila.
Really good. Oh my, I want to stay here. Looks so nice. Oh, you see, look, it's doing a backflip and a front flip. Yeah. Oh,
Galing ano?
yeah, he's doing a backstroke with no hands. Yeah, these. I think these are
Ngayon ka lang po sa
otters.
nakita niyan?
I think these are otters. Oh, what's that? What's that?
Ano kinain niya?
Yeah, I think it might be a shell. Oh, yeah, it's a shell.
Ang galing niya lumangoy yan, oh.
Yeah.
Happy bunso?
Yep. Yeah. I will show you the next animal.
Galing niya lumangoy yan, oh. Ano yan? Ah, talaba.
These are
Me.
starfish.
Ano yan? Talaba? Ha?
Mussel. Tahong. At starfish. Look,
Hindi ako nag-ano. Starfish, eh.
ang ganda.
Starfish.
Starfish siya.
Ano yan, Case?
We found Dory. There, the blue one.
Dory.
Yeah, Dory, the blue one. The dark blue one. Yeah.
Susum natin.
We're trying to find Nemo soon. Have we found Nemo yet? Sorry? Dory, yeah. Yep. I took lots of videos and photos. And now guys, we have finished our aquarium very quickly because the last what's it called, the bus, the tour bus will be 6:45 and we need to be quick so we can reach it. And yeah.
But we enjoyed it. We love it.
Yeah. Very fun. Yeah.
Dami ng picture.
Yeah. I found the fish that would look like Kuya. The ugly one.
Don't say that.
So guys, you can see that we went through the oceanarium, basically showing all the fish, and yeah, we enjoyed it so much. Very, very tired because I love walking and we need to go now, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell whenever you want to be notified to our next videos.
Peace out and paalam!
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm my lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say yeah.